all these gifts. Thank you for saying happy birthday to me. You make my birthday special. Thank you. I love you.
Happy birthday!
Thank you. To Aiden, Kyle J. From Gina, Mac, Court, and no. Let's open this.
Yeah.
Wait. What is it? It's Steve! It's Steve! Can I open this?
Help ka ni mama.
This is...
Diyan ka lang, nak. Sit down ka lang dyan. Sino nag-gift niyan? Sino nag-gift?
Gino.
Si Gino. Wow!
Thank you, Gino, for Steve. Let's check it out.
This one.
This one.
Basahin mo, nak. Dito ka, harap ka.
Happy birthday. Stapler. Wait.
Okay.
Okay, it's staplered. Sino yung XR?
Wow, ganda. Ganda pala eh. Kay Steve.
Best friends. First,
Sit down ka na sa center. Wait mo lang.
look. A stitch clothes.
Wow! Sino nagbigay?
Wait.
Si Faith? Oh, say thank you to Faith.
Thank you, Faith.
Show them.
Thank you for this jacket.
Wow! Oh, you try. Try mo.
Okay, wait. I'll just... After I do all of
Okay, yes. This one naman first. Okay, Tito Joe. Bring mo muna. Bring mo muna.
Okay. Happy birthday, Aiden. From Kiara.
Okay, Kiara.
Wait, baka
Wow! A shirt.
Thank you for the t-shirts, Kiara.
Yay! Wow.
Who's next? This one?
Yup.
Go. Sige, go.
Sige, anything. Paano makuha mo?
Read mo muna.
Aiden, happy birthday. Dane. Oh,
Okay, Dane. It's from Dane. Harap ka dito, nak.
What? Well, thank you for this one. And thank you for this.
Wow! A shirt. Wow, dami shirt
Thank
ni
you
Aiden.
for those. Let's
Kay Kiara yan?
Okay, no, okay.
Ah, kay Dane.
from kids. Let's check out Princess.
Okay. Sino? Kanina yan?
Prince.
Okay, kay Prince. What's that?
It's a shirt.
Wow!
For the shirt, Prince.
Wow!
Let's check out this one, please.
Okay.
Read mo muna yung small one.
Okay. Aiden. Lucille. Let's open this one.
It's from Tito Russell. Ninong Russell. What's that?
Say from... Wait, stop. There's another pack in a pack.
There's another pack in the pack.
Oh, wait, I just...
Ano yan?
What's that?
Watch.
Wow!
You're right, it is a watch.
No?
What's that?
Kids watch.
Wow!
Ayan.
What can you say?
Thank you, Tito.
Wow! Ganda pala Eden, oh. Oh, smartwatch.
Smartwatch.
So big.
Dito Russell pa yan.
Basahin mo, nakalagay.
Tito Aiden. Ninong. Russell.
Okay.
Nakita oh.
Wait.
What's that kaya?
It's a box. What's this?
Pwede daw sa nanay at tatay yan. Pero dapat kay Aiden daw. Wow!
Hot Wheels.
Wow! Hot Wheels! Tignan nga natin.
Look, I found it.
Wow! What can you say?
Thank you, Tito Russell.
Wow! Dinosaur talaga, ah. O, mamaya na, nak. Open mo lang. Next one. Love side mo yung ano.
I don't know where's the baso.
Ay, that's from Tita Sheng.
O, Tita Sheng.
Tita Sheng, hi, Tita Sheng.
I think the same. Sure.
Wow!
Change.
Sheng. What kind of shirt is that?
Wow, Minecraft. Show them. Wow. It's from Tito Jom. What's that?
What?
What's that? Wow. Gently. Wow.
The guitar?
Ukulele.
Wow.
Wow. Wow. What can you say to Ninang Jom?
Be careful, gently.
Wow, aralin mo daw yan, sabi niya.
You look like this last.
Okay.
That's too big. Oh my gosh.
Kanina yan.
Kanina yan, nak.
You know, nakalagay.
Saan? Ito, dito. From Lucas, Aiden.
Lucas.
From Lucas.
Another stitch.
Wow!
Stitch.
Wow!
Stitches.
Oo nga.
Okay. What do you say
Stitch.
to Lucas?
Thank you, Lucas.
Wow.
Okay, let's go.
Hey, you're friends. Who's next?
Dami pa.
Okay na yan.
From eight. Very.
Oh, it's from Avery.
Another shirt.
What do we say?
What can
Thank
you
you,
say?
Avery.
Yay! Show it! Wow, thank you!
Who's next is this one. There's two
Ayan,
stitches.
okay na ba tayo mo?
Kanina ko. Happy 7th birthday. Kia, Aiden. Kiele.
Hey, Kiel!
Kay Kiel.
It's from Kiel.
Kiel.
Ah,
Kay Tita Pets, kay Tito Kier.
Say thank you to them.
Thank you.
What's that?
It's a Lego. I knew it. I knew it. I
Wow!
knew it.
What can you say?
Thank you for the Lego. Let's check. This one. Which was from Happy Birthday. Evan. Who's Evan?
Oh, it's from Evan.
Maybe
Sit down, nak. You sit down.
Okay. Oh, on a shirt.
It's okay.
Thank you, Evan, for the shirts.
Thank you. Wow, ganda.
Ganda.
Let's
Show
try
it, show it.
Jacket.
Oh, jacket.
the
Wow.
jacket.
Oh, what's next?
This one.
Okay.
Go, open the kay Tito Vincent.
Tito Beans. Wow.
Hey. Thank you for the shirt.
Wow.
Tito Vin.
Thank you, Tito Beans.
Wow.
Go, next.
This one.
Dami mong shirt ha. Bago ha.
Hindi kami rin naman. Go, next. Ayun na yan, galing.
Basahin mo, nak.
Aiden.
Ate Gabi.
Ate Gabi.
Wow.
Ate Gabi. Roy.
Okay, Soy.
It's another shirt.
Wow. Show it.
Mickey
Wow.
Mouse.
Wow.
Thank you for these shirts.
Thank you.
Let's see this one.
Okay. Sige, go.
It's Mami.
It's from Tita Kat.
Go, go, go. Go. Ayun, nakita ni Oso. Bilit nakita na natin, go. Okay.
Big yan ah. Oh.
Ano?
It's a big gun. Thank you, Tita Kat.
Wow.
This gun.
Show it, show it.
Wait. Oh, no. It's gun.
Okay. What can you say?
Thank you.
Okay. Next. Next one. Last three. Oh. Pati yung mga na-open na show mo ha.
Ayun yan.
No.
Walang name.
No name. Kanino kaya yan?
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Bakit mo?
My what? Let's see. My what? Oh, there's tape. I need scissors. Where's the scissors?
Careful ah.
There we go.
Wow, what's that? Wow, Beyblade. Oh, makakatry ka na.
Thank
Kanino galing na?
Baka, nagkaparehas eh. Baka kay ano. Baka Yunan?
Patingin. Tignan mo kung may ano.
What's the say?
Wala nakasulat.
Ano?
Say thank you ha.
Thank you.
Ah, baka charger.
Charger ata.
Di.
Hindi ba?
Nagkapare, may ano pa. Ay, fishing rod.
Oo nga, ano pang fishing?
Ayun, meron siyang stick. Ayun, katatuan.
Ah!
Kailan?
Ay, kaya uncle nan siguro.
Ang kailan to? Bigyan ka ng fishing rod niya.
Tignan mo nga kung kanino mamaya. Hindi pala kay uncle nan ha.
Tignan natin, tignan natin. Ano galing? Walang name. Walang name, ba?
Thank you ka na lang, nak.
Thank you.
It is a fishing rod.
ano? Legit, no? Legit.
Let's go to Malawan.
Oo, punta tayo doon.
Hey, let's show the fishing rod.
Wow!
Fishing rods.
Thank you.
O, pwede tayo mag-fishing.
Yeah!
Let's try.
Kanino kaya yan?
Feel ko kayo nun. Kasi parehas ang pakin na yung incline eh.
Kaya nga. Baka.
Bakit
Okay.
na?
Okay, go na.
Or hindi ko sure.
Kung kanino man po to,
Fishing rod
thank
natin,
you.
Salamat.
Flint.
Kay Flint, kay Flint.
What is this?
Obligado tayo mag-fishing
I
tuloy.
see something.
Kay Flint naman.
I see something.
What?
Oh, this is the money, right? Yeah, it's the money.
Ay, may money
May
dyan.
money? Kasi yung nagbigay.
Ay, hindi ka John.
Ah, nagbigay pa pa
Boy,
si
oy,
Titi.
din oh.
Wow!
Oy, Dad!
Oo nga, kay Tito
O,
John
binigyan pa
yan.
ng money ni, Tito John. What can you say?
Huwag yung Tito John.
Thank you! But don't call me Oiden on my next birthday.
Okay, din ito pa.
That's your nickname to,
Kay Flint.
Tito John.
Wow! It's a Minecraft toy.
Wow!
That's funny.
What can you say?
Thank you, Flint.
Oh, next. Oh, one more there, oh.
Oh, it's still one from Mamsi.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, what can you say? Show the camera.
Thank you for these.
Oh.
Ay, isa. Akin yung isa eh.
Kay mama yung isa. Regalo ni mama yan. What can you say?
Ayan, basahin mo. Basahin mo yung rate mo.
Oh, wait. Pogi.
Your birthday
Pogi daw.
From Tito Ninong Chris. And Tita Tony.
Wow.
That was big. That's a big one. We're Star Wars. Huh? Star Wars.
Buksan mo.
Buksan mo. Wow.
Wars. Star Wars.
Wow, what did it say?
Thank you. What is this?
I don't know.
It's a perfume.
Perfume. Wow. What can you say?
Thank you for the perfume.
Okay.
Star Wars.
Star Wars?
Star Wars yan na.
Is this the
There's one more. There, one.
Ayan oh, ito pa oh.
No, the other one.
Ayan ako. Yan.
Meron na garnish. From who? Eden. Hello.
Kanina yan, nak. Basahin mo.
Basahin mo. Eden sa front. Ayun na meron sa front.
Happy 7th birthday from Alger.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
This.
A shirt.
Thank you for the shirt, Alger.
Ay, meron pa oh. May money pa oh. Wow.
Thank you for the money too.
Wow.
This is the last one.
Yeah. Show mo muna yung mga gift. Ayan, tatas gift oh. Tata Naiden's gift. Oh.
Brush.
Oh, what can you say?
For that.
What can you say for the toothbrush?
Thank you, Tata.
How about Tata Bear?
Ay, Tata Bear, nagbigay ng cake.
Thank you, Tata Bear, for the cake.
Yari ka.
Oh yeah, thank you, McDonald's.
Okay. Saan yung gift namin ni Mama? Where's
That
our
one,
gift?
That one. That
Show it.
one.
Okay, go na.
Okay, go na. Tignan nga natin yan. Tignan natin yan.
Okay,
On surfboard.
Yeah.
It's just a...
Tignan nga natin yan. What's that?
Another bag in my bag.
Push mo nga, nak. Push mo yan dito. Sa front.
Too heavy.
heavy, heavy.
O sige, okay na yan.
Ayaw mo na. Nahirapan yung sino nagbalot niya. Hirap na hirap.
What a big
Ay,
bag.
walang hindi natin makikita. Oo. It's okay.
Kailangan
baby.
i-open.
Oo, kasi hindi natin pwede i-open. Kasi, go Go. Say thank you na lang Ninong Klein.
Say thank you to Ninong Klein. It's a go-kart.
Thank you for the go-kart.
Okay. What can you say to, everyone?
Thank you all for the gifts.
And then,
You made my birthday special.
ay, tumugtog po.
Baliktad nga lang. Okay na, love you. Bye-bye.
Love you.
Love you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.